Hey YouTube, in this video we're gonna learn how to create an empty WordPress theme, so our starting point for development of our new theme, new project with a single command using mdb-go. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I assume that you have WordPress installed locally. If you don't have WordPress installed on your local computer, please check the previous tutorial which we created for you. So stop the video here, get back to the other video, install WordPress and come back here. Now, I assume that you have your WordPress installed by now. So in order to create our first empty theme, so just the starting point for our future project, you need to find your theme location. So you need to find a folder where you installed WordPress. In my case, it's htdocs because I'm using XAMPP. So it's something like local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs, WordPress, and then navigate to WP content and the themes. So this is the folder we are looking for. Copy location. And open terminal. Now within the terminal you can manually navigate to the location, so do like change directory and then go to XAMPP and so on, or you can just paste the entire path, and that's how you're gonna be in this, you're gonna end up in this location. Now if you have mdb installed, then simply type mdb WordPress init. If you don't have mdb-go installed on your computer, please check this tutorial. You're gonna find a link somewhere here or in the description down below, or just navigate to mdbgo.com where you're gonna find the instruction how to install mdb-go on your computer. So I assume that you have mdb-go installed, mdb CLI tool from mdb, and you are already logged in. If not, then type mdb login, and now you can type mdb WordPress init. So this is just a single function, and it's gonna ask you whether you are in this WP content themes folder. So you say yes, and you can choose one of the predefined templates. We are interested in using the empty starter, so this is going to be very basic starter for us. So just hit enter, and that's going to create a folder for us. Let's rename it. It's called mdb empty WordPress theme. Let's rename it to my theme. Okay, and now let's open it in Visual Studio Code. So let's see how does it looks like. So basically, WordPress theme requires two files. It's index.php and style CSS. So these are the metadata about our template. I'm gonna leave it as it is. You can update it. So obviously you can update the author name, URL, and so on and so on. There is also one extra file for the functions PHP, which will basically include the style CSS into our theme. But we're gonna learn more about that, how to connect your CSS and how to add JS to your project in the next video. For now, we're gonna focus only on this index.php and style CSS. So let's do something here like php echo hello WordPress word, and let's save it. Now let's open our WordPress admin panel, then navigate to appearance themes. This is what we are looking for, and you should see this mdb empty starter here. So we can activate it, and we can open our local installation, and we have our hello WordPress word. So as you can see, this comes from our metadata. So this is what we have here, mdb empty starter. So this is the name which we are seeing here. Obviously we can also add the thumbnail in the future, but we're gonna learn all about that, about making your project, making blog, making e-commerce site in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.